Baby Blossom, burping, baby Brim. Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, Cardi B shares a beautiful sweet video of baby Blossom burping baby brother Brim. In the comment section, seeing how people are reacting to this sweet video, one comes in to say she's about to bully out of him when he starts moving on his own. And I'm saying, damn Blossom heavy as hand. And I'm saying she is the cutest with so much personality. And I'm saying, oh, that is her baby. And I'm saying she's beating the shit out of him, not intentionally. She just heavy-handed. Oh, that is a sweet baby girl. Now saying she looks like she's reading the comments and just cracking up while tending to her baby. Now then also saying Blossom glowing up, she gonna beat all spitting image of wave. So what do you think about this beautiful sweet video? Love you, bye bye, and ciao ciao.